Hey, and welcome to this new Widget Wednesday. Today in Widget Wednesday, we're going to talk about trends. We have added a new feature in dashboards called trends. And let me explain how it works and how you can use it. So you first select your metric like always. So for example, let's take the default CPU load that we always do. Let's make a nice gauge. We have a CPU load. Now you can open this advanced section and here you can enable trends. We can also add a extra metric, by the way, in some widgets that we support, like a table or time series, but we'll get there in the next Widget Wednesday. So for now, we're talking about trends. To enable trends, just enable it and it will pop up here. So let's save this. And as you can see, it also is here on your widget. So, but we also have some options. And how do we do it? So we have these options. We have selected time frame, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last month. I would advise you to always keep it on selected time frame. So the time frame is selected time frame. This means that if you change the time frame on top here, it will change this in the way that you might think it would. So like for me, it makes sense. So if you select the time frame and you do last 7 days, then what we're doing actually is we're getting the number for this week and last week. We're comparing those, and the comparison between it is the percentage that you see here. So last week, this number was minus 0.8% lower. So that's a small difference, right? If you then select 24 hours, what we're now doing is we're getting the number for today and the number for yesterday. So yeah, so it's today and yesterday that we're comparing. That's automatically done. So if you do select time frame, even if you do 1 hour, we're getting this hour and the last hour and comparing that and updating it like that. So, but what are the other options? So we also have the option last 24 hours, last 7 days, last month. So let's say I set it to here to 24 hours. So the dashboard is looking at data today. And if I now do last 7 days, then today when I'm recording this, it's a Monday. So now the number is this Monday and last week Monday. So we're skipping 7 days. We're getting back to the 7 day and we're comparing that. So if we do 24 hours, I'm just getting today and yesterday. That's the same as selected time frame on 24 hours. But 7 days is now Monday compared to Monday. So that can be handy if you want to compare logon times, for example. I see, our logon times higher on today than last week, the same day. We also have last month. So that is getting the Monday today. So the Monday in May compared to the 18th or what is it, like the 19th or something, Monday, May in April. We also support with trends to put them in the stat. So you have them here in the stat. And what's really cool is in a time series, the trend becomes a dotted line. And to display it even better, I would say turn on here, show legend. And now you can also see which dates the trend are and which days this is. So this is May 17, 18th, and the line is now April 17, 18th. If I set it to last 7 days, it's May 17th. So May 17th, 18th, last 24 hours, and it's May 10, 11 here. Again, I would just put it to select the time frame, then it just dynamically updates. So now it's like today and yesterday. If I put it to 7 days, it's this week and last week, the line. It just makes the most sense. But yeah, you can have these lines in time series too. So let's save this as a nice time series. And here we go. We have the nice trend indicator in the time series. This is really, really cool. Opens up the door to a lot of possibilities, a lot of cool widgets. And again, we just released this. So in the next coming weeks, we are going to update our own built-in dashboards to also have these trend indicators when it makes sense. We'll enable them and update the dashboard. So look forward to that. So this was Quick Widget Wednesday. I hope you like this new feature and stay tuned for the next one. Bye bye.